Hey YouTube, Time Travel Pichu here. I just figured I'd do a quick recap of my pulls from my two Psycho booster boxes, Psycho Drive booster boxes, and Hail Blizzard booster boxes. So yeah, here we go. Just so you know, anything that I have doubles of is going to be for trade. So here I have Arcanine, another Arcanine, Chandelure, another Chandelure, Vanillix, another Vanillix, Zapdos, Gardevoir, Lucario, Bisharp, Leavanny, Moltres, Articuno, Luxray, Conkeldurr, Scrafty, Chinchino. So that's it for holos. Here are my EX pulls. You have Shaman, Kyogre, Regigigas EX, Regigigas, and Groudon. By far my favorite. And we have some full arts. So first one we have here is Kyogre EX full art. Very awesome card. And we have Groudon EX full art. Also very awesome card. And lastly we have Mewtwo EX full art in all its wonderful, beautiful glory. So, hope you like this vid. If you're interested in trading, send me a message, and yeah, more vids to come. Thanks. Bye.